Hello, guys. Hope you're doing good. So today, I will tell you how to make money as an Amazon affiliate with WordPress. So I have been learning about making money as an Amazon affiliate or Amazon associate, as they call it. It's a very easy to sign up easy to sign up or for like Amazon affiliate program. From what I have seen, most of everyone gets approved. You don't need even an established site now. Uh, I like anything that makes money online. It requires some work. Amazon has set up so that you generate a 4% commission, but you can make a bigger percentage that with the more sales and you can generate to a site. The strategy here is big ticket item to get a larger commission. So but also target item that are more likely sell in volume so that you can get bigger percentage. So if as a blogger you have the option of linking product in your post in your sidebar or uh, you know creating some special dedicated page. Of course, WordPress can make this easier for you with some helpful plugin, whether you're looking to link to a few Amazon products or create a store, whether it has a plugin that can help you to get your Amazon affiliate commission. So first of all, let's talk about the affiliate plugin that are best for WordPress. There is Amazon Autolink. So it's like the plugin is a great tool to quickly grab link from Amazon by searching product from right from your WordPress backend. You can search by product category or choose a specific product. Your Amazon affiliate ID will automatically be inserted into all links that get to the Amazon product page. What great about this Amazon affiliate plugin is that it will automatically grab the product information image extra for you. It will import everything to your site, and you have the option to show high different info about the product plus customize the buy button. So you can add product posts, create a page with several products, or use it a handy widget for your sidebar. So another feature is that links are localized, so visitors will be sent to their appropriate Amazon site for a purchase. Again, Canadians will go to Amazon.ca instead of .com. So then there's a my book table. You can check that out. There is Amazon authorities available for $67. So there are a lot of let's talk about Amazon Autolink. Uh, Sorry, let's talk about my book table. So perhaps there's an opportunity to make affiliate commission on a number of books you can recommend. With this WordPress bookstore plugin, you can create list of books, then display them all on one page, or use the widget to display books on your sidebar. The plugin will automatically popular links with your Amazon affiliate ID, so the sale will be attributed to your account. So the plugin also say that it uses the HTML book schemas when they display book info on your site, so that there's an opportunity for content to show up in Google Book search. So there are no option to customize buy now button too. So they're like is on authority. It's available for $69 as I said. So is on authority lets you you can create an entire e-commerce site but send buyers to Amazon when they are gonna make a purchase. This plugin includes a drag and drop builder to a page of Amazon product, but probably what I find mostly useful is that it can be used with WooCommerce. So you can use any WooCommerce ready WordPress theme automatically populate products using this plugin, and the buy button will send them to Amazon. And there's also some critical features like auto syncing option, so your product won't be out of date what's on the Amazon store. So there you have it. Some handy affiliate WordPress plugin so that you can use for your website. If you're interested in being an affiliate, you should definitely check out the Amazon affiliate program, and you are gonna find it really interesting and how exactly you can do that. So as you can see there, you can get started with WordPress easily, and uh, you can simply create a website and go for a .com domain. So let's talk about creating an affiliate store with WordPress and WooCommerce. So just any website to build an e-commerce store that specifically sells Amazon product, you will need own a domain name and hosting. The combined cost of a domain name, SSL certificate, and WooCommerce hosting can seem like too lot when you're starting out the new stores. The combined cost will be around like $14 a month. Fortunately, we have bargained a deal with Bluehost, have WordPress and WooCommerce to come for our user to get a free domain name, SSL certificate, and huge discount on web hosting. You can check out that. So then you have to join the affiliate Amazon's affiliate program, and to get an Amazon affiliate account, you can go ahead and sign up for Amazon Associate in an Amazon affiliate program website. Click on the join now free button. So then after logging in, you will need to complete your profile. You need to submit the pay information, the website, or more mobile info. While submit the details, read the instruction clearly on each page. So then you need to install some affiliate plugin like Pretty Links that lets you manage all your affiliate links in a single place within your WordPress dashboard. So whenever you want to change your affiliate link, you don't need to go deeper into your site manually after all those URLs. Instead, you simply do that. In Pretty Links panel, you will automatically change your all the published URLs. So the plugin also helps you clock the affiliate link that you promote on your website. So then you have to add Amazon products to your store. You can easily add products to your store by going to the products, add page, and more. So, guys, this was it for today, and I hope you liked the video and got some knowledge from it. So, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll be answering all the questions you may have, and if you need help in setting up the Amazon store, I will be personally guiding you. So, don't worry about it. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great